So how do we make this salad? Well, this is a squash salad. We're going to use zucchini and summer squash. And we're going to roast the squash first. So what you want to do is grease a cookie sheet with some olive oil, a couple tablespoons of olive oil, and set the pan aside. This is a great salad or side dish to go with the roast. So then we want to have our zucchini. And this is a special zucchini because it came out of my garden. This is called something called Romanesco, you see, because it's got ribs. It's a rib zucchini. You can find the seeds for this online. Different Italian seed companies have it. And you can go to the Ciao Italia website and find out how to get seeds from Italy. And then you just have your oven on 350, and you just line these rounds up on your baking sheet. And you can turn them once in the oil if you want to. That's on the pan, or you could just brush them again on top with a little bit of olive oil. You just get them all on there. And it's pretty because it's the two colors, and I like to mix them together, and they look nice on a platter. In the oven. $350, about 25 minutes when you can kind of see that they're getting soft. You don't want them mushy, but tender. That's when you take them out. So now that we have that, one left. We need to make the dressing. So for that we want some herbs. So here we have fresh basil, and we have mint, and we have garlic. So get that going. Just going to put all of that together and mince it up. And then we're just going to add some olive oil, some red wine vinegar, and when those vegetables come out of the oven, well, then we're going to just toss them with this olive oil and red wine mixture, and it's kind of a really nice summer salad, I have to say. Olive oil, some salt, pinch, black pepper, about 3 tablespoons or so of red wine vinegar. Use a good red wine vinegar. Mix that all together. Now we add our herbs. And we let that all commingle together. Okay? And that's going to be our dressing for the salad.